Hi guys, I'm on page 117 of your math textbook today, sorry. Today we're going to work on a few word problems, or as I used to call them, story problems. These are all going to deal with time. So if you're on the top of page 117, it says a plane left San Francisco at 8 a.m. It arrived in Portland at 9:05 a.m. How long did the journey take? All you need to know is what they're asking for. They want to know how long the trip took. Doesn't matter if you know where San Francisco is or where Portland is. Just need to know how long it took to get from one to the other. They're giving you clocks to use, which can come in handy. I'm going to show you two different ways you can do these problems. Number one, if you're going to go from 8 a.m. and go around the clock to 9 a.m., how long is that? 1 hour. If you're at 9 a.m. and you're going to the 1, how many minutes is that from the 12 to the 1? 5 minutes. Again, if you're going from 8 to 9, that's 1 hour. 1 hour. Then if you're going from 9 o'clock to 5 after, that's 5 minutes. Remember, we also do our timeline. If you start at 8 a.m. and go to 9 a.m., remember our mountain? That's 1 hour. And then to 9:05, that's a little jump, and that's 5 minutes. So, how long did the journey take? The journey took 1 hour and 5 minutes. Again, guys, as we're going through these and you're listening to me doing this stuff, if you have questions, please email me. I am available to you. Just because I am not in the room with you doesn't mean that I can't answer your questions. Okay, number 2. Christy went to the market at 7:15 a.m. She came home 1 hour and 45 minutes later. When did she come home? So it wants to know what time Christy came home, okay? She came home, and remember we have to have our unit in there. It is going to be a.m. because she went very early, 7:15 a.m., and she was gone an hour and 45 minutes. Now, I know some of you are going to say, well, can't you take that 7:15 and add 1 hour, put that little hour and 45 minutes in there? So 8 hours and 60 minutes. Well, there is no 8 o'clock and 60 minutes, but 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So if we add another hour onto here, we're going to be at 9 a.m. Or let's come over here and put 7:15 on the clock. Let's go 1 hour past that. An hour past that would be 8:15. Then do 45 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. That's how we would know we would be at 9 a.m. Or again in our number line, we're starting this time at 7:15. 1 hour past that would be 8:15. 45 minutes past that, add those two together, you'd still get 8:60. There is no 8:60. Instead, you're going to get, because this is 45 minutes, you're going to get 9 a.m. So what time did Christy come home? She came home at 9 a.m. Let me erase my timeline here real quick. Okay, last one. Sally took an hour and 10 minutes to do her homework. She finished at 9:40 p.m. What time did she start? This time we have to go backward. We still know she's going to end at p.m. because we're at 9:40 and we're not going that far back. Okay, so we could start at 9:40. It said an hour and 10 minutes. 1 hour before that would have been 8:40. And then 10 minutes before that, 5:10. So if it's 8:40, 10 minutes before that would have been 8:30 p.m. Or on our timeline, if we end at 9:40 and we go back 1 hour, that would be 8:40, right? Because you subtract an hour off. And then a little 10-minute jump, 8:30 p.m. Okay, guys, your homework tonight are pages 129 and 130 in your math workbook. Good luck, and remember, I'm here if you have questions. Miss you guys. Bye.